Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss SST third chapter, The Early Man and the Wheel. The early man as a farmer. Although the early man had a lot of things, he was still not happy. He wanted to make his life better and better. What more could he do? It must have so happened that one day he noticed that the seeds that he had thrown away on the ground after eating fruits uh, sorry had had sprouted. New plants grew in their place. The early man had discovered how to grow food. This was an important discovery. Although early man did not know how to sow, plow, or harvest crop, as yet he was intelligent enough to not to note that sunshine and rainfall made wild plants grow taller and stronger. So soon man started collecting seeds and sowing them in the soil. Wheat and barley seeds were the first seeds and that early man sowed in his field. As early man made plants healthier, if there was no rainfall, he also gave water to his plants through, through repeated trial and error. Early men slowly learned the art of farming. Other men and women also helped him. Together they tilled the soil, sowed, irrigated, and harvested the crop. Early man had a good life now. He had shelter, food, clothes, domestic animals, and his own food. He did not feel the need to wander anymore. He now decided to make a permanent home near his crops. Village life. Those days, the early man had to sow crops near rivers so that he could not have to walk much to get water to irrigate his crops. This was why the first homes were built near rivers. अर्ली मैन के पास अब बहुत कुछ था, पर वो फिर भी हैप्पी नहीं थे। वो अपना लाइफ और भी बेटर बनाना चाहते थे। एक दिन उन्होंने नोटिस किया कि जो फ्रूट्स खाकर उनका सीड्स वो फेंक देते थे, वहाँ पर नए प्लांट्स ग्रीव करते थे। इस तरह उन्होंने फूड को ग्रो करना सीखा और ये एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट डिस्कवरी थी। अर्ली मैन क्रॉप्स को शॉ, प्लाव और हार्वेस्ट करना नहीं जानते थे, पर उन्हें ये पता था कि सनशाइन और रेनफॉल से प्लांट टॉलर और स्ट्रॉन्गर ग्रो करते हैं। अब वो सीड्स कलेक्ट करके सॉइल में क्रॉप ग्रो करते थे। उन्होंने व्हीट और बार्ली सबसे पहले ग्रो किया। जब बारिश नहीं होती थी तो वो खेतों में खुद ही पानी डाल दिया करते थे और इस तरह से उन्होंने फार्मिंग करना सीखा। अर्ली मैन की लाइफ अब अच्छी हो गई थी। अब उनके पास शेल्टर, फूड, क्लॉथ्स, डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स और खुद का खाना भी था और उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वे अपना परमानेंट होम क्रॉप्स के पास ही बनाएंगे। अब अर्ली मैन अपने क्रॉप्स को रिवर के आस-पास उगाया ताकि उन्हें इरिगेशन के लिए पानी मिल सके। Next, the early man as a social being. The early man homes started to increase in number as more and more early men and women began to live together. Thus, the first villages were born. The houses in these early villages were made of clay, mud, wood, grasses and leaves. जैसे जैसे अर्ली मैन के होम इंक्रीज़ होने लगे, वैसे वैसे वो लोग एक साथ रहने लगे और इस तरह से पहले विलेज का आविष्कार हुआ। वो अपना घर क्ले, मड, वुड, ग्रासेस और लीव्स से बनाते थे। The early man as a traveler. As the village became bigger in size and number, the early man wanted to travel from one place to another. जैसे जैसे अर्ली मैन के विलेज बढ़ने लगे वैसे उन्हें एक विलेज से दूसरे विलेज ट्रैवल करना पड़ता था। On foot. Many of man's relatives and friends lived in other village. To meet them, the early man started to travel on foot, but he realized that he was very tiring and difficult to travel in the cold, hot, and rainy weather. He thought over what to do and came up with his solution. He began using his tame animals to carry him from one place to another. अर्ली मैन अपने रिलेटिव्स को मिलने के लिए दूसरे विलेज पैदल ही जाया करते थे, पर कोल्ड, हॉट और रेनी वेदर में ट्रैवल करना बहुत मुश्किल होता था। इसलिए अब वो अपने टेम एनिमल्स को यूज़ करते थे, खुद को कैरी करने के लिए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक जाते थे। In water, man also discovered other ways to travel as his village was close to the river and he often went there to collect water. Man noticed that the tree, logs and branches float in water. This gave him an idea. He decided to make a raft by tying together small logs of wood. He also dug a deep hollow into thick and large logs of wood and made boats. Man used his rafts and boats to travel. अर्ली मैन ने नोटिस किया कि ट्री, लॉग्स एंड ब्रांचेस वाटर में फ्लोट करते थे और इस तरह उन्होंने ट्री के लॉग्स को हॉलो करके उससे बोट बनाया और वह उससे ट्रैवल करने लगे। On land, all times early man did not have animals to carry his loads. Then he would load his things on a cart and pull it along with him. This proved to be very difficult as the routes and tracks were bumpy. Often his things fell off his sledge cart. Besides, the cart was very heavy to drag along from place to place. It was like a sledge without wheels. पहले अर्ली मैन अपने कार्ट को खुद ही पुल किया करते थे और ये बहुत मुश्किल होता था क्योंकि रास्ते बहुत खराब और ऊपर नीचे होते थे। Wheel, a big invention. The early man was frustrated and wanted a good mode to travel. It must have happened that one day, while walking along the foot of a mountain, he saw the big and small stones and rocks rolling down from the mountain top. These rocks must have blocked his way. Man must have tried to move them out of the way and found that rocks moved easily. This was because they were round in shape. Early man might have got an idea from this. He must have picked up some big and strong round rocks and put them under his sledge cart. Thus the first wheel was invented. Early man also noticed that even with wheels, his cart still did not move easily. He now realized that the stones should be of the same size. He experimented some more and cut out round pieces of wooden logs. These wheels These wheels were lighter, faster, and helped early men to travel over longer distance. Men's domestic animals like ox and horse were willing to pull his wheeled sleighs and cart. This is what we call bullock cart and tanga today. Have you ever traveled in one? The wheel was a useful invention. It needed lesser effort and bore the burden of a heavy cart easily. It saved time and reduced the distance. It was also very helpful in pot making. अर्ली मैन बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेट हो चुके थे और ट्रैवल करने का एक आसान तरीका चाहते थे। और एक दिन उन्होंने नोटिस किया कि रॉक माउंटेन से रोल डाउन होकर नीचे आ रहे थे, क्योंकि वो राउंड शेप के थे। तब उन्होंने सोचा कि वो बड़ा और गोल पत्थर अपने स्लेज के नीचे रखेंगे तो वो आराम से स्लेज को खींच पाएंगे, और इस तरह से व्हील का आविष्कार हुआ। अर्ली मैन ने अब रियलाइज़ किया कि स्टोन को गोल और सेम साइज़ का भी होना चाहिए। अब उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट करके वुडन लॉक से राउंड व्हील बनाया। ये बहुत लाइटर, फास्टर और लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कर सकते थे। अब वो ऑक्स और हॉर्स को कार्ट पुल करने के लिए यूज़ करने लगे। व्हील की मदद से हैवी कार्ट को बहुत ईज़िली दूर तक ट्रैवल कर सकते थे। व्हील का यूज़ भी वो पॉट मेकिंग में भी करने लगे। नेक्स्ट, changes for the better. The early man's life kept becoming better and better. With time he discovered metal and improved his utensils and tools. Metals made his things stronger and durable. Early man discovered the metal copper at first. This metal was soft. Then he discovered bronze, and last of all the hard metal, iron. These discoveries were so important that the period of their discoveries are referred to as Copper Age, Bronze Age, and Iron Age, respectively. The first village grew into towns and then into cities. People started to freely mingle and travel over long distance. The first man and woman started doing different types of work, such as weaving, blacksmithing, and pot making. In this way, many different occupations evolved. Occupation led to trading. With this, the need to have peace and order was felt. So men and women choose their representatives by holding election. Thus the first government was formed. Although it took thousands and thousands of years for these changes to take place and place one after another, today our life is a legacy of the अर्ली मैन ने मेटल का आविष्कार कर लिया था, जिससे वो स्ट्रॉन्गर और ड्यूरेबल टूल्स और यूटेंसिल्स बनाने लग गए थे। उन्होंने पहले कॉपर का आविष्कार किया, ये बहुत सॉफ्ट था। फिर उन्होंने ब्रॉन्ज और आयरन का आविष्कार किया। ये मेटल की डिस्कवरी इतनी इम्पॉर्टेंट थी कि उस एज को कॉपर एज, ब्रॉन्ज एज एंड आयरन एज के नाम से जाना जाता था। पहले विलेज बना, फिर टाउन और फिर सिटीज़, और लोग लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस भी ट्रैवल करने लगे। अब मैन एंड वुमेन बहुत तरह काम करने लगे और इस तरह ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट हुआ, और वो अब अपना रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स चुनकर इलेक्शन करवाने लगे और इस तरह से सरकार बनी। इन सब चेंजेस में बहुत हज़ारों साल लग गए और आज हमारी लाइफ अर्ली मैन के कारण ही पॉसिबल हुई। Okay students, that's all for this chapter. I will provide question and answer etc. in my next video. Okay, bye.